What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of 69 Baja Outdoors. 3 weeks ago, we pulled off the rear suspension, the engine, and the engine cage off a mud cricket, and we ran into an issue with the driver's side plate being bent. I have since then been trying to find a way to get it straightened. My wife is awesome. She is probably my greatest supporter and had surprised me with this. So now, if everything goes well, we're going to use this and we're going to straighten that plate, get it back on the car, and hopefully get the process going to get the bug done. So let's get to it. And to recap, this is where that plate is bent. I mean, I'd say that's a 1/4 inch. There at the tip, you know. So in order to do that, we've got to do some relief cuts. So we're going to prop this up into the vise and get to cutting. Well, I've cut it a little bit more with the Sawzall. Took it up to the weld. I think I'm going to take it a little bit further. My battery died, and I think I'm going to cut it a little bit further, and then we'll stick it back in the press and give it a shot. Looking better. Well, it's opened it up pretty good. If I lift this up a little bit more, I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely got a bow in it in the opposite direction. So I'm sure it's going to have some relief when we raise it. Well, let's see. I do believe that's a winner right there. Sweet. All right. I'd say we're good. There's a little bit of bow. I don't know if you can see it right here, which is fine. We're still a little on the downhill here. And I don't care about that really. As long as these shock mounts are straight, I think we're good. I mean, you can definitely tell I did some creasing, which is right where it bent, right on this crease. So now, clean this up, get this welded up. We're going to try the plasma cutter. Set it 20 amps, I think it is. And we're going to see what happens. they came out that bad. Did a hot pass on each one. That one kind of shitty, but it'll work. So I wanted to make a note to make sure that you bevel all of your edges so you get good penetration all the way around. This way you can, especially on the top, fill those valleys. And then if you have, well, I mean, in this case, we're going to have to grind it flat, but you'll have some material still left in there. Well, today is a new day, and it's still cold. Oh yeah. Still cold. Oh. Come on, man. What the hell's going on? Come on, man. I got no gas. It is so cold in here, my regulator froze up. Whew. I was scared, man. I've had this welder for like 25 years. And the only thing I've ever had to do is replace the torch lead. Woo. Yeah, man. Still toasty. But it came out pretty good. A little bit of grinding on the edges just to take the burrs off. They are in place. I can't tighten them up yet because of the fact that I don't have the cage on. I want to make sure that the cage is going to go on before I tighten them. But that's it in a nutshell. They're bolted up. There is a slight gap. Granted, they're tweaking outward a little bit, but I think that's because they're not bolted down yet. That's it. I am 99.9% sure that these are going to work. If they don't work, I'll cross that bridge when the time comes. But until then, we're gonna run it. And we're gonna run it like we stole it. We have a lot more stuff coming up. We still need to do the engine, all the engine work, the exhaust, installing a new fan, which I have, by the way. That'll probably come out next week. Or maybe I'll just throw like a midweek video out, a short or something. I don't know. We'll see. But at any rate, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Share it. Share the hell out of it. And until then, we'll catch you all on the flip side.